Good idea. I'd rather see ciclovia on a day we don't have to worry about any rain. Certainly no thunderstorms, and that's going to be the day that we've got the highest risk of seeing some good thunderstorms. Going to show you future radar for Sunday as well as Friday and Saturday. We have kicked off a very wet weather pattern, okay? All right, but first things first, Nate, Ryan, and I headed out to Helotes for the inaugural Taste of Helotes out at Pedrati's Ranch. A good 400 were in attendance out at this opening ceremonial event. It's going to hope to be an annual get-together. The Taste of Helotes is just one of the many appetizers, and yes, pun intended, to Fiesta 2026. Going to be a blast this year. So much fun out at Pedrati's Ranch. All right, out here on the hill tonight, we've got winds in from the Gulf, and that has really picked up humidity. As a matter of fact, with 69 degrees, dew point only 65, so it's only a 4-degree swing between those two, and that means humidity just about saturated, right? Or the atmosphere just about saturated, the humidity high. Remember, whenever we get these numbers to match, if the air temperature cools to its dew point, the atmosphere saturated. All right, we did get some pretty good downpours across eastern San Antonio today. It was over Calaveras Lake, St. Hedwig, China Grove, farther east for some heavier rain near Gonzales. That was the best thunderstorm of the day. And tonight, we're watching some action down to the south and west. So a lot of this will stay south and west of the city. I mean, we could see a little sliver that's now into central Medina County sneak in over the next hour or two, but we're not expecting more than, say, moderate showers outside tonight. How much rain did fall today? Well, as you'd expect it, most of it right over Gonzales County with over 2 inches falling, and some of that came down with a little pea-sized hail. Almost 1.5 inches near St. Hedwig, about 1 inch near Canyon Lake. More to come. This weather pattern is definitely uncapped, and with scattered thunderstorms in the forecast, mainly daytime heating. So we'll see more of the healthier downpours in the afternoon hours. But even in the morning, you can pop up a few good showers. This is the upper level trough back across areas of California that's going to swing in for the weekend. That's when we expect more widespread rain over San Antonio. That's when we'll also have a surface feature to work with. It's going to be the dry line on Sunday. So that's why between now and Sunday, we've got weather impact alerts because chances are high on heavy rain, strong storms embedded. So make sure you're staying weather aware. Download the KENS 5 app. If you hit this QR code right now, you can go to the App Store and get the KENS 5 app on your phone, or you can go and get the KENS 5 Plus downloaded to your television. It's just important to have radar in your hand. This is a fluid situation, if you will, pun intended. All right, so here we go. Tomorrow morning, we've got some pretty healthy rain across North San Antonio, up I-35. Thins out a bit. We get a little bit of heating, and now you got more widespread good heavy rains, and maybe even a thunderstorm or two. Non-severe. We're not expecting severe thunderstorms. You can't rule out some gusty winds, maybe pea-sized hail, but certainly not enough to get up to a severe thunderstorm warning. But we're going to, again, see real good coverage in the afternoon hours, and then even into the evening. This is 8 p.m. tomorrow night. And then we'll thin out, and then it'll start up again. Look at this. This is Saturday morning at 7 a.m. Notice, again, these are 15 to 20-minute long showers, downpours, and they move out. There's not going to be a big line until we get to Saturday night into Sunday. Look at this. This is 1 a.m. Sunday. So after midnight, this line expected to develop along the dry line and stay pretty much north of San Antonio, but we could see some healthier impulses come Sunday. And that's why the Severe Prediction Center for Saturday, 1 to 2 risk. We're going to see where this 2 lands tomorrow for Sunday. All right, 14-day forecast time. The next 4 days, or 3 days, I'm sorry, are weather impact alerts as rain chances stay high. And by Sunday, some of those storms could be strong to severe. We've got chances Tuesday, Wednesday getting back up to 30 or 40%. And the rain chances will be there for the first day of Fiesta, but hopefully only that 20% will stay the case. Now, it looks good for the River Parade in Nyosa as rain chances are dropped. Nate's next.